In this BiQ review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for BiQ. BiQ is an AI-powered SEO suite that helps you rank higher and get more traffic. This is what you should see once you've actually first signed up and not logged in. I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So for the people first signing up, I'm going to show you what happens, and then for the people logging in, we'll get to that part soon. So when you first sign in, it should say welcome to BiQ, and then you can go ahead and actually choose what type of features you want to use in the software. So we've got this section right here, access keyword intelligence. This can generate semantically related keywords and more like that. To the right of that, we've got access content intelligence, analyze 25 crucial ranking factors instantly. To the right of that, we've got access rank intelligence, discover ranking that you don't even know, reveal your hidden ranking, and then finally we have access rank tracking, where we can actually track the ranking of your pages and track the ranking of your keywords. So you can go ahead and just start off by clicking any one of these. However, you can do each one throughout the software and you don't have to just stick to one. I'm going to just choose this one all the way to the right, access rank tracking. Once you click on that, it should open up a new area, and then this is where anyone logging in can go ahead and join into the video. So to start off, you want to go ahead, and this just says track and monitor your website rankings in search results. I'm going to run through each feature in this area. So to get started, create a new rank tracking profile. You can go ahead and add your domain name or your website. You can go ahead and list where it's based and list the language, and then click create new profile. This section down here should be filled once you've actually gone ahead and created your profile. So here you go, once you've actually gone ahead and filled in your domain name and the location that it is in. I went ahead and put United Kingdom, but you can actually put it anywhere, and then kept it as English. You can go ahead and click create new profile. So once you click that, you should see all of this information, and for beginners it might seem overwhelming, so I'm just going to quickly go through each area. So right here you can add a keyword to track or even import any keywords. This can just help you track what is happening. Right here you have your desktop, where it should say any desktop things that are going through your domain. So you have today's rank movement, you have 0 gain, 0 unchanged and 0 loss. This is because there isn't actually any going through the website that I put in. So if you have a website that you want to see who's going in and off of though, you can go ahead and actually track it here, and it should show all the movement there. Right here you have the average position, the ranking on featured snippet, and the ranking with extra features. To the left of that you have the ranking distribution, and that's pretty much it for this corner left hand side. Down here you have keywords and pages overview. You have the top 5 with most gain, top 5 with most losses, and top 5 with highest ranking. You can go ahead and select this on and off. To the right of that you have the mobile section. This is just, again, pretty much the same as the desktop. However, it just shows if it's going on desktop or even mobile. Pretty much the same area, same sections, same design. So that is the overview for this area. To the right of that up here you have the keywords. This is where you can go ahead and search any keywords and track any keywords on the page. I haven't added any keywords yet. If you want to go ahead and add keywords, again, all you'd have to do is click this button, add keywords to track. Once you click that, it should open up this little page right here where you can add keywords like software, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and click track keyword, and it should add it to your software. Down here now we have the keyword tracking. We have software as a tracked keyword, and it should show you the URL that it's tracking, and then all of this information right here, page gain, page loss, and average position. All the way back up here to the tag section to the right of the keywords section, pretty much the same as the keywords. You just go ahead and add any tags and then the description of the tags, and you should be able to create a tag. So I'm just going to go ahead and put reviews. None of this actually correlates, I'm just writing in the random words. Description, I'm just going to put reviews again, and you'd go ahead and create a tag just by clicking that right there. It should now create your tag where you have the tags, description, items, and then the page gain, page loss, and average position. You can go ahead and edit these down here by clicking edit them. You can add them or even enter this tag. If you want to export any of these, by the way, you can go ahead and just click this export button right above here to the right. And then finally, moving on to the right of tags, we have the competitors area. Once you click on this, you can see your unique keywords tracked. You can add any more keywords tracking right there and see any analytics on the keywords, so like the average position, today's rank movement, and the ranking distribution movement. You can change any dates that these have by clicking this right here and changing the dates and clicking apply. Overall pretty good and pretty self-explanatory. Now moving on up here to the create new profile. Once you've actually clicked that, you can go ahead and create a new profile if you want to. This is pretty much the same as we did before, however you can create it from this section. We're not going to go ahead and create a new profile, but this is where you'd put the domain name, the location and the language, and you just click create a new profile again. Going all the way back up to the top, you can actually see we are on the rank tracking. So let's say we want to go back to the beginning and actually not do the rank tracking anymore. To the right of that, you can click new intelligence, and this should take you to this section where you can go ahead and either go from keyword intelligence, content intelligence, rank intelligence, or even rank tracking, or you also have collections down at the bottom. All the way to the left of that, you have this section again where it pretty much does the same thing. You have a little button right here where you can actually learn what BiQ can do, and then you can just hide that by clicking that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the new intelligence and actually go ahead and create a content intelligence and see what that page does. So now you can see we have the rank tracking and the content intelligence right beside each other. This is pretty much the same area as the other time. It has real-time guidance to produce the right content. We can go ahead and type in a target keyword, enter the page URL to analyze it, and then create a document. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a target keyword and then the URL. So I went ahead and put in the keyword, which is media, and then the URL, which is sellersmedia.com, and I'm going to go ahead and click create document. Once you click that, it should come up with all of this analytics and information. You have your keyword, your URL, your title, and your meta description. You can go ahead and edit any of these if you want by just clicking this hovering edit button right there, and you can actually start writing by writing on this section. All the way here to the right hand side, we have the word scope and the analysis. This is again where any analytics would appear. However, it isn't appearing for me right now, and there you go, it should take a few seconds to appear. So right here you have the different terms of media and different digital media. It should all be coming up with the word scope section right here, and the word count and the headings and the links for the URL that you provided. It should be showing you all the uses of the word and keyword you provided. You can see the analysis right here, pretty much the same. And once you are done with that, you can actually click export, and you can export all of that information or even add it to your collection. So overall, that is pretty much what the BiQ software does. It just has good tracking for the URLs and good keyword tracking for the URLs that you provide. And there you go, that is it for the BiQ software review. Overall, I think it's a great software for tracking and ranking keywords and other things within your URL that you provide. A few features I liked is how easy the analytics actually appear and how easy it is to actually create one of the few tracking options within the software. Overall, it's pretty simplistic once you get to know it, and it is good for a beginner who's looking to have an SEO tool. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. Again, anyone who's looking for those types of tools, this software is probably one of the best out there, and I would use it myself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.